Cleansing the body naturally is a desire shared by many people across all ages. Whether you're a young adult trying to improve your energy levels, a middle-aged person looking for balance, or an older adult aiming to support longevity, the path to detoxification often leads to plant-based solutions like chas and sucos. These natural options provide a gentle and supportive way to assist the body in eliminating toxins that accumulate from daily life, processed foods, environmental exposure, and stress. One of the most accessible and time-tested methods of detox involves consuming teas and natural juices made from fruits, vegetables, herbs, and roots. Chas, known for centuries in various cultures for their healing properties, offer different benefits depending on their composition. Herbal teas such as green tea, dandelion tea, ginger tea, peppermint tea, and chamomile tea can gently stimulate the liver, kidneys, and digestive system. These organs play a vital role in the body's natural detox process. For example, dandelion cha is rich in antioxidants and may support liver function. Green cha contains catechins, which are known to support metabolism and aid in the removal of free radicals. Ginger cha promotes digestion and may reduce inflammation, while chamomile helps soothe the nervous system, which indirectly supports detox by reducing stress-related hormonal imbalances. Sucos also contribute significantly to detoxification. A freshly prepared juice, made from raw fruits and vegetables, can be packed with vitamins, minerals, and enzymes that are essential for cellular cleansing. Plant-based sucos made with ingredients such as cucumber, celery, beetroot, carrot, lemon, and apple are not only hydrating but also supply nutrients that assist in breaking down waste materials and moving them out of the system. Beetroot suco, for example, is known to support the liver by increasing the production of enzymes that detoxify the body. Cucumber and celery sucos are highly hydrating and help flush toxins through the kidneys and urinary tract. Detoxing with plant-based drinks doesn't mean extreme measures or fasting. On the contrary, incorporating these chas and sucos into a balanced diet enhances the body's natural ability to detoxify without overwhelming the system. It's not about punishing the body but nurturing it. When the body receives what it needs, it works better. A combination of adequate hydration, proper nutrition, and rest is key. A cup of warm ginger cha in the morning can stimulate the digestive fire, while a green vegetable suco at lunch can provide antioxidants and fiber. In the evening, a calming cha such as lemon balm or lavender may help regulate sleep and stress. One important aspect of detoxing with natural drinks is understanding how they support the organs involved. The liver is the central organ for detoxification. It filters blood, processes nutrients, and neutralizes toxins. Many plant-based chas and sucos are known to aid liver function. For instance, milk thistle cha has silymarin, a compound shown in studies to protect and regenerate liver cells. Suco with lemon and warm water is a classic morning ritual for many, believed to stimulate bile production, cleanse the liver, and enhance digestion. Though scientific evidence varies, consistent anecdotal support suggests it can be a helpful part of a daily detox routine. The kidneys also play a central role in detoxification. They filter waste from the blood and maintain fluid and electrolyte balance. Drinking chas with diuretic properties like parsley cha or nettle cha may support kidney function by promoting urination and reducing fluid retention. Watermelon suco is another popular plant-based option for kidney support, as it's high in water content and contains natural electrolytes. Hydration is crucial in any detox plan, and sucos can enhance water intake by combining hydration with nutrients. The colon is often overlooked in detox conversations, but it's vital for the elimination of waste. Fiber-rich sucos made with leafy greens, apples, or flaxseed can support healthy bowel movements and reduce the buildup of toxins in the digestive tract. Aloe vera suco is also known for its gentle laxative effects, which can help support colon cleansing. However, it should be used cautiously and in moderation. When selecting chas or sucos for detox, it's important to focus on natural, whole ingredients. Artificial additives, added sugars, and preservatives can undermine the purpose of detoxification. Detoxing is not a one-time event. It's a continuous process that the body manages every day. Supporting this process regularly with plant-based foods and drinks is an effective long-term strategy. Chas and sucos can be consumed daily or several times per week as part of a healthy lifestyle. For example, alternating between a green vegetable suco in the morning and a chamomile cha at night can create a rhythm that aligns with the body's needs. Seasonal adjustments may also be beneficial, such as consuming warming chas in the winter and cooling sucos in the summer. There's also a psychological benefit to incorporating these drinks into daily life. Taking time to prepare a fresh cha or suco creates a mindful moment that can foster awareness of health choices. It encourages self-care and reinforces a connection to natural foods. This is especially important in a fast-paced world where people often rely on convenience and neglect nutrition. Preparing a hibiscus cha or blending a kale and pineapple suco can become a daily ritual that supports both physical and mental health. While many people seek quick fixes, sustainable detox comes from regular support, not extremes. Crash detox diets or commercial cleanses may provide short-term weight loss or superficial changes, but they often stress the body. Plant-based chas and sucos, on the other hand, offer gentle, consistent nourishment. They are safe for people of all ages, though certain conditions may require medical supervision. For instance, those with kidney issues or diabetes should consult a healthcare professional before making significant dietary changes, especially involving juices with natural sugars. Chas and sucos can be prepared at home with minimal equipment. A kettle, a blender, and fresh ingredients are often all that's needed. Simplicity is part of the beauty of these natural solutions. A basic detox suco might include apple, cucumber, lemon, and spinach. A cleansing cha could be made with fresh ginger slices steeped in hot water. Adding herbs like mint or turmeric can enhance flavor and provide additional benefits. The key is consistency and choosing ingredients that align with your goals. Beyond detox, these drinks contribute to overall wellness. They support immunity, improve digestion, and increase energy. When the body is free of accumulated toxins, it operates more efficiently. You may notice clearer skin, better sleep, improved concentration, and a greater sense of vitality. These results are often gradual but deeply rewarding. Unlike supplements or pills, chas and sucos offer a full spectrum of plant compounds, including antioxidants, vitamins, minerals, and phytonutrients that work together in harmony. Educating oneself about the benefits of each plant or ingredient helps in making informed choices. For example, turmeric is anti-inflammatory and supports liver health. Lemon is alkalizing and rich in vitamin C. Kale is high in fiber and supports digestion. Peppermint is soothing to the gut and refreshing. Each ingredient plays a role, and learning to combine them creatively can make detox drinks enjoyable and effective. You don't have to follow rigid recipes, just focus on variety and freshness. Even simple water can become a detox aid with a plant-based twist. Infusing it with slices of cucumber, mint leaves, or berries can encourage hydration and provide trace nutrients. This is particularly helpful for people who find plain water boring. Herbal iced teas can also be a great alternative to sugary beverages. Hibiscus iced cha, for example, is rich in antioxidants and naturally tart, making it refreshing and detoxifying. As we move through different stages of life, our detox needs may shift. Younger people may focus on energy and skin health. Adults may prioritize digestive balance and stress management. Older adults may seek support for organ function and inflammation reduction. The versatility of plant-based chas and sucos makes them adaptable for everyone. It's not about a perfect recipe, but about supporting your body where it is today. Some people may be skeptical about detox drinks, and that's understandable. The body already has detox systems in place. However, modern lifestyles, diets high in processed foods, and exposure to environmental toxins can overload these systems. Providing additional support through chas and sucos doesn't replace the body's functions but complements them. Think of it as helping a tired engine run more smoothly by giving it clean fuel and routine maintenance. Regular detoxification support can also improve mood and mental clarity. Toxins affect not just the body but also the brain. Poor diet and inflammation can lead to foggy thinking, fatigue, and even anxiety. By nourishing the body with plant-based drinks that are rich in nutrients, it's possible to experience a lift in overall well-being. The connection between the gut and the brain is well documented, and digestive health plays a major role in how we feel mentally and emotionally. For those beginning their journey with chas and sucos, starting slow is recommended. Try adding one detox drink per day and observe how your body responds. Some people may experience mild detox symptoms at first, like headaches or changes in digestion. These are usually temporary and part of the adjustment process. Staying hydrated, resting, and maintaining a balanced plant-based diet will ease the transition. Continuing the journey into natural detox, it's important to recognize that results from drinking plant-based chas and sucos may not appear overnight. Detox is a cumulative process, and consistency is key. People of all ages can benefit from establishing routines that include these drinks, aligning with their personal health needs and daily schedules. Whether it's a young adult starting the day with a green suco or an older person enjoying a calming cha before bed, these habits become rituals of renewal. Over time, these practices support the body's ability to heal, cleanse, and function at its best. Understanding the ingredients used in detox chas and sucos adds value to their consumption. For instance, parsley cha contains compounds that act as natural diuretics, helping to flush out toxins through the urinary tract. Cinnamon cha has antimicrobial and anti-inflammatory properties that may support metabolic health. Suco made with carrot, apple, and ginger offers a vibrant mix of antioxidants and digestive aids. These combinations do more than refresh, they nourish, protect, and restore. The synergy between these natural ingredients enhances their detox effects, making them powerful allies for daily wellness. When preparing detox drinks, sourcing fresh and organic ingredients whenever possible enhances their effectiveness. Organic fruits, vegetables, and herbs tend to have higher nutrient levels and fewer chemical residues. This aligns with the plant-based philosophy of minimizing exposure to toxins while maximizing nutritional benefits. Many people choose to grow their own herbs like mint, basil, or lemongrass for chas, which not only ensures quality but also brings a sense of connection to nature and food. Incorporating seasonal ingredients is another way to optimize detox benefits. During summer, cooling sucos made with watermelon, cucumber, and mint help hydrate and flush toxins, while in winter, warming chas with cinnamon, ginger, and turmeric support circulation and digestion. These seasonal adjustments help the body stay in balance with its environment. People who follow traditional healing systems, such as Ayurveda or traditional Chinese medicine, often tailor detox practices to the seasons, using nature as a guide. While chas and sucos are important tools, they should be part of a larger lifestyle that supports detoxification. Physical activity, for example, stimulates the lymphatic system and helps the body eliminate waste through sweat. Sleep allows the brain to detox and restore itself. A plant-based diet rich in fiber, healthy fats, and unprocessed foods works synergistically with detox drinks to keep the digestive system running efficiently. Each element, movement, rest, nutrition, and hydration, contributes to the overall process. Elderly individuals may wonder whether detox drinks are safe for their age group. The answer is yes, with some important considerations. Older adults should focus on gentle detox chas like chamomile, fennel, or rooibos, and sucos that are low in sugar and high in hydration, like cucumber or celery juice. It's also essential to monitor for any interactions with medications. For example, grapefruit suco can interfere with certain prescriptions. Consulting a healthcare provider is always wise before making major dietary changes, especially for those with chronic conditions. For young people, detox drinks can be a gateway to healthier habits. Teaching the value of preparing fresh sucos and chas empowers youth to make better food choices. Rather than turning to sugary sodas or processed snacks, they learn to reach for options that fuel their energy and support mental clarity. A suco made with spinach, banana, and orange may sound simple, but it provides a broad spectrum of nutrients that the body uses for detox and repair. Starting these habits early builds a foundation for lifelong health. Adults often face the challenges of stress, fatigue, and digestive issues, all of which can be linked to toxin buildup. Detox drinks that include adaptogenic herbs like ashwagandha cha or reishi mushroom infusions may offer additional support. These ingredients help the body adapt to stress and maintain balance. Including a beetroot and lemon suco after a stressful day can also help the liver process excess cortisol and improve circulation. These practices don't require major changes, just mindful inclusion of detox drinks into daily life. Batch preparation can make it easier to include detox drinks in busy schedules. For example, a large jar of detox cha can be brewed and refrigerated to drink throughout the day. A batch of suco can be made in the morning and stored in glass containers for quick access. Keeping healthy drinks on hand reduces the temptation to reach for less beneficial alternatives. This method also supports families, allowing everyone, children, adults, and elders, to participate in a shared wellness habit. The visual appeal of chas and sucos also plays a role in their impact. A bright green suco or a golden turmeric cha creates a sensory experience that stimulates appetite and interest. For elderly individuals who may have a reduced sense of taste or smell, the colors and textures of these drinks can provide stimulation and enjoyment. For younger people, sharing photos of their colorful detox drinks on social media can create a ripple effect of health-conscious behavior. Education about detox drinks can also help people avoid misleading claims. Not all products labeled as detox are beneficial. Commercial detox teas, for example, often contain laxatives that may cause dependency and disrupt natural digestion. Homemade plant-based chas, on the other hand, are safe, natural, and designed to support the body gently. Sucos made at home contain real fiber and nutrients, unlike many store-bought juices that are stripped of beneficial components. People often ask how long they should follow a detox routine. The truth is, detox is a continuous cycle. Instead of following short-term plans, it's more effective to make chas and sucos a regular part of your daily or weekly routine. Drinking a detoxifying cha before bed or starting the day with a suco can become second nature. Over time, these small choices add up to major benefits in energy, immunity, and resilience. Hydration remains a core principle in all detox efforts. The body requires adequate fluids to transport toxins out of the cells and eliminate them through urine, sweat, and bowel movements. Sucos and chas count toward this goal, and their added nutrients enhance the process. For people who struggle to drink enough water, these flavorful drinks can make hydration more enjoyable. Simply adding lemon, ginger, or mint to water transforms it into a detoxifying tool. Many cultures have their own traditional detox drinks. In Latin America, for example, aguas frescas made with hibiscus or tamarind are popular. In Asia, barley water and jasmine cha are traditional cleansers. These drinks have stood the test of time, and incorporating them into a modern plant-based lifestyle brings the wisdom of the past into the present. Sharing these traditions with younger generations keeps them alive and meaningful. Detox doesn't just cleanse the body, it also helps reset cravings. When the body is nourished with whole, plant-based drinks, it naturally begins to desire healthier foods. Processed food cravings diminish, and the palate becomes more sensitive to natural flavors. A person who once needed sugar to enjoy a beverage may find joy in the sweetness of an apple-carrot suco. This transformation supports long-term change and reduces reliance on unhealthy eating patterns. Maintaining a detox-friendly kitchen can support consistency. Keeping fresh produce visible, storing herbal teas within reach, and investing in a quality blender or juicer makes it easier to prepare chas and sucos daily. Encouraging the entire household to participate helps build a culture of wellness. Children can help wash herbs, adults can prepare sucos together, and older family members can share traditional recipes. These shared experiences strengthen bonds and promote health for everyone. Finally, it's important to listen to your body. Detox is not about rigid rules, but about responding to your unique needs. Some people may benefit from a morning green suco to stimulate energy, while others may need a calming cha to unwind at night. Preferences and tolerances vary, and paying attention to how your body reacts is key. No single drink is a magic solution, but over time, the right combination of plant-based chas and sucos becomes a powerful tool for ongoing health. Supporting the body through natural detox drinks is a practice rooted in care, knowledge, and intention. It doesn't require expensive supplements or dramatic cleanses. It's a return to nature, a way of giving the body what it needs to thrive. With consistency, awareness, and variety, anyone, regardless of age, can experience the benefits of these healing drinks. In a world filled with toxins and stress, turning to chas and sucos is a gentle and effective way to nourish, cleanse, and restore.